Okay, for these problems they're asking you to write an equation in slope-intercept form for the line with the given slope that contains the given point. Okay, now you need to remember point-slope form because that's what we're going to sub into first. So it's y minus y1 equals mx minus x1, point-slope form. And we're going to convert it into y equals mx plus b, which is the slope-intercept form. Okay, so my first step is to sub this guy into point-slope form. So there's my m, there's my x, there's my y. Okay, so y minus y1, which is negative 1, so minus a negative will make it plus 1, equals m3 x minus x1, which is 2. Okay, so I need to convert this into this. Alright, so my first step is to distribute the negative. So 3 times x and 3 times 2. So it'll be 3x minus 3 times 2 is 6. Okay, I'm almost there now. So the only thing I have to do is make this 1 move over to this side. Okay, so it's plus 1, so I'm going to do the opposite. Minus 1, minus 1. That'll get me to the other side of the equal sign and cancel this out. So we get y equals 3x minus negative 6 minus 1 is negative 7. Then I'm all done. Okay. For the other problem, I have a slope of half, so that's m. There's my x, there's my y. Okay, so same deal. I'm going to sub it into point slope, and I'm going to make it look like slope-intercept. So I'm going to go y minus y1 is 6 equals m, which is half, x minus 4. Okay, so same deal. I'll bring y minus 6 down, and I'll distribute the negative. So it's half times x is half x, minus half of 4 is 2. Okay, now, just like the last one, I'm almost there. I just have to get rid of this minus 6 and bring it to the other side of the equal sign. So if it's minus 6, the opposite would be plus 6. Plus 6. Negative 6 and 6 cancel, so I'm left with y equals half x, and then this time negative 2 plus 6 is 4. And I'm all done. There you go.